Hello, I'm John Butler. I'm here speaking at the end of our first day of the two-day course of teaching transforming therapy. I've been teaching a very good group of students the basic techniques and some of the more advanced techniques and tools, methods, principles and the skills that go to make up this very full complex approach to analytical hypnotherapy. And it's always a pleasure to hear people, hear their experiences of being a therapist and how the new things they're learning are going to help them. It's very, very interesting always to learn new things, and this is certainly a therapy that can offer so much to people, even those who are already in the work a long time, because there's so many levels to the therapy. There's so many aspects to it, stages that a client goes through in their development, and transforming therapy has been developed over such a long period of time that it addresses so many human problems, human issues, human needs in a very profound way. So I'm very delighted to be here teaching and looking forward to teaching tomorrow.